Miss Ray, your kindergarten teacher. So today we're going to learn about a new letter sound. Can you see the letter sound that I wrote on the board? So this is the new letter sound that we're going to learn today. Do you know what sound does it make? It's x, x, x. Can you say x? Very good. Next one, I'm going to tell you the story of letter sound x. So one day, two boys climb a tree. Because they are not being careful, they fell from the tree. One of the boy hurt his arm, and then the parents brought the boy to the hospital. When the boy is in the hospital, the nurse took him to an X-ray room. Do you know what an X-ray is? I'm going to show you the picture of an X-ray machine. So, if you are taking an X-ray, you can see the whole thing inside of your body, like your bones. So, when the boy took an X-ray, the doctor can see that the boy's arm is broken. The doctor put some plaster on his arm, and then the boy can go home with his mom and his dad. So that was the story about letter sound x. Next one, I'm going to show you the action of letter sound x. Alright, so you are pretending that you are taking an X-ray. So you put your hand like this, and then try to close one of your eye, and then you say x, x. So that was the action of letter sound x. Next one, I will show you how to write letter sound x. Okay, pay attention first. One more time. Alright, so that was how to do letter sound x. Can you put your hands in the air? Try to practice it with me. Easy, right? And then the next one, I will try to play the song of letter sound x. Let's sing together. You guys ready? Listen it first. Sing it slowly. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Remember the boy that his arm is broken? So take an X-ray of my hand. Okay, practice the song again at home. The next one, I will show you some pictures that have letter sound x. Check it out. So this is, do you know what number this is? This is number 6. 6. The word 6 has letter sound x. Next one. Do you know what this is? This is a box. Box. The word box has letter sound x. Last one, do you know what animal this is? This is a fox. Fox. The word fox has letter sound x. In the next video, I'm going to explain a little bit about what you need to do on this worksheet. Listen carefully and pay attention on my instructions. Check it out. Hi students, on this page we're going to practice writing letter sound X, X. First, please look at the letter sounds over here. There is a big X and small X. Okay, next one. We're going to start the activity from this section. Listen to my instruction. Can you color in the fox? We're going to color the fox. This is the fox, so you can color it first with any color you want. So I'm going to try to color, probably not as good as you. You can do a better one at home. Okay, something like that. Not really good, but I know you can do better. So after you color the fox, please look at part number 2. So we're going to practice reading these words over here. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Ox, ox, box. Box has letter sound X. Next one, X, X, six. The word six has letter sound X. Next one, X, eat, exit, exit, exit. Exit means go out. Exit. Next one, next, 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 next. The word is next. Let's repeat one more time. Say it after me. Box, six, exit, next. Okay? So that was the lesson about the new letter sound X. Don't forget, if you are doing your work at home, ask your mom or your dad to take a picture and then send them to me. That was from me for today. I will see you again in the next video. Bye-bye!